Hey everybody, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. Today we'll be making the featured cocktail for the April 2016 Von Me Please featured album, The Score by the Fugees. It's called the Au-Kee-Ta and it comes courtesy of the National Ambassador for Auchentoshan Single Malt Scotch, Robin Nance. And with that, let's get mixing. We'll start by grabbing our mixing tin and adding some ice cubes. To that we'll add 1.5 ounces of Auchentoshan American Oak Single Malt Scotch, followed by 1/2 ounce of Amaretto. Then add 1/4 ounce of Amaro Nonino, and another 1/4 ounce of black walnut liqueur. Lastly, we add 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Now we shake. Okay, now we grab a rocks glass and fill it with fresh ice. Next, we're gonna double strain the contents of our tin into our glass. And lastly, we're gonna garnish with a dried apricot. And there you have the Au-Kee-Ta. Let's see how it tastes. Oh wow, okay. I was not expecting that. So, truth be told, I'm not a big fan of very spirit-forward cocktails, which this is certainly one because as you see, 4 of the 5 ingredients are all alcohol, but this plays really nicely. I'm actually very surprised. It is very refreshing. That lemon juice just adds enough of a freshness, a kick to counterbalance some of the heavier spirits like the Amaro and this black walnut liqueur. And the Scotch doesn't get overshadowed at all. It does play real nicely. So I love the balance of this cocktail. It is really good. Very smooth, by the way, too. And I love the addition of the apricot because it really does feel like an autumn type cocktail. I'm very well paired with this album. Well, I hope you enjoy making your own Au-Kee-Ta. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.